If you want to enhance your Google account security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure that only your current devices are linked to your account. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email and password to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Find your devices. Scroll down to the Your Devices section. Here, you will see a list of devices that are currently signed into your Google account. Step 4. Select a device to remove. Click on the device you want to remove. A pop-up will appear with details about the device and options related to it. Step 5. Remove the device. In the pop-up, look for the option that says Sign Out or Remove. Click on it to disconnect the device from your Google account. Confirm your choice if prompted. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Google account, helping to keep your information secure.